Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to access Destiny, our library catalog website, and then from Destiny how to log in and search for books, including ebooks, and to access Overdrive. So we'll be doing a few things today. So the first place you need to always go to start is our homepage, flboe.com. Once you're here, you want to come over to the Students tab and go down to Destiny right here and click. And then it will load all of the schools. We are the middle school, so we're going to click on the middle school. And then you want to come up here and you want to click on catalog, okay, the tab for catalog. All right, and then up here in the right, before you do anything else, you want to log in. And your login right now is going to be your student ID for both your username and your password. And logging in at this point will allow you to log in once, and then if you find a book that, like an ebook on Overdrive, it will automatically log you into Overdrive. That is a new feature this year that just came out over the summer, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to log in. Okay, and then I may have to click on catalog again. It may take me back to that home screen. Okay, all right, so now I'm in here, and now you search based on either a keyword, a title, an author. So if I just wanted to look up for mystery books, I could search and click mystery, keyword search, okay, and see what comes up. And then right here I could sort the titles based on a title, an author, a date. Maybe I want the newest titles to show first, so I'll sort by date. And it should put the most recent titles. Here's one, Charlie Presumed Dead, published in 2015. And you'll notice right here that there's a letter E. That letter E stands for ebook. And there are two types of ebooks. So if we go to this book first, this E with the white E, let's click on that and hit open and see what happens. And give it a second. And this is going to take us to our Follett shelf. So this is a Follett ebook. So when we went back here, the E's with the white are Follett ebooks, and that basically means that you can read them right by clicking. It'll open the book up. So right now we're in the book, and what's great is you can scroll through the book and with the pages right here, and you can start reading the book right away. If you click and you hit play, it will actually read you the book out loud as well, and you can pause and you can stop the reading of that book. Also, you can change the font size of the book, you can increase the font size, you can change the background color inside Follett's e-reader, okay? You can come over here, you can search the book, so if you're looking for a word, a specific word, and you want to see all the areas where that word takes place in the book, you can just search and click, type the word, and you'll see those words. It'll show you all the pages where the word gestures is used. I used that word there. What else can you do? You also have a notebook. This could be very convenient if you're reading a book in class and you want to take notes as you read it. So if you hit the plus sign after hitting notebook and you just start typing your notes, start typing a note and then hit save, okay, you then will have a note based on that page number. Or if you highlight, no, this doesn't allow you to highlight. The other app, I believe, will allow you to highlight. And then you can search your notes as well. You can print out your notes. You see the print sign here. So this is a really great feature as you're reading a book, especially if it's for class. So that's a Follett ebook, okay? The other type of ebook you're going to see here is in blue. Okay, so let's open that one. And this one should be an Overdrive e-read book. And because I am logged in, it will take me automatically, and this isn't new, this didn't happen last year, into Overdrive, okay? And you'll see it looks a little bit different. It says Fort Lee School Borough. If for some reason it didn't do that, you would have to log in using your student ID for your username and your password. But if you did log into Destiny, it will automatically log you into Overdrive. They do communicate. So if you were interested in this book, you could read the little bit of the summary by clicking on more. Here's the description. It gives you the awards. There are reviews down here. All right, up here, if you wanted to, you could read a sample of the book. It would open up the book here, and you could read a sample to see if you wanted to check the book out. Now, you are limited to, I believe it's 3 checkouts. okay, at once, 3 ebooks out at once, 2 or 3. I think I made it 3 this year, up to 3 books at one time. So don't just randomly go around and start checking out tons of ebooks. Only take books out that you're going to read. And then you'll see here you have the 1-page option, the 2-page option, like you did in the Follett e-reader. Here you have your font settings, your text scale, so I can make it larger, okay, and smaller. Down here we have a couple of different font choices. We can change to Scholar, paperback, the publisher's default, how it would have been if it were in print or in e-reader from the publisher. You can customize your font as well, and there are tons to choose from. One new feature is Open Dyslexic. So if you do have dyslexia, which is, it's something some students have and they have trouble reading, it kind of flips letters. You can read in Open Dyslexic and that will help you. So that's a really great feature. You can also control the lighting, the background here. You'll see it's kind of similar to the other one. You have the nighttime view, you have the sepia tone, and then you have the standard white background. Some people prefer reading in this view during the evening or during the day. I times will read in that darker font during the daytime. It's just easier to do. And that's pretty much the 2 different types of readers. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to stop by and see me in the Media Center. And I will be more than happy to help you. I hope you start checking out lots of ebooks this year and enjoying our ebook collection. If you have any suggestions for ebooks that you would like to see in our collection, please let me know. I have a suggestion box. You can email me, or you can get my Google Classroom code and you can put your suggestions in the classroom as well. Thanks so much.